Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common headache in the business world: contracts. Particularly, we're focusing on facility maintenance contracts. We'll discuss their importance, why they can be a challenge, and introduce a simpler, more efficient way to manage them, saving you time and frustration. Stick around to learn how integrating your computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, with your contracts can streamline your operations and make your life easier. Imagine this: you're in the business world, and contracts seem like a necessary evil. You understand the importance of outlining the scope of work, time frames, and budgets, as well as the consequences for failures. However, the process can be long and complicated. By the time all parties agree and sign the contract, everyone just wants to stuff it into a file cabinet, never to be seen again. Sounds familiar, right? But what if I told you there's a different way to handle contracts, especially when it comes to facility maintenance? First, let's define what a facility maintenance contract is. It's an agreement that outlines a vendor's responsibilities regarding equipment, machinery, systems, and building maintenance within a facility. The main goal of such a contract is to ensure continual maintenance is performed for optimal performance. Now, you might be wondering, why are these contracts so important? Well, if your organization uses multiple contractors as part of your comprehensive facilities maintenance program, you might find yourself buried under a mountain of paperwork. Contracts with construction companies, electricians, janitorial services, plumbers, carpenters, and landscapers, they're all a bit different. They have different agreements and lengths, expire at different times, involve multiple budgets, and have different exceptions and addendums. Keeping all this information straight, searchable, and accessible can seem like an impossible task, especially when you're also dealing with daily work orders and emergency repairs. But don't worry, there's a way to manage all these facility maintenance contracts effectively. While there are contract or file management software systems available on the market today, they might not be the best solution for a facility maintenance application. Why? Because you'll probably need to refer to a contract when you're working on a particular maintenance item with a contractor. Trying to log into two software systems and cross-reference can be clumsy and time-consuming. So what's the solution? Rely on your Computerized Maintenance Management System, or CMMS, to handle all aspects of your facility maintenance data. Make sure your CMMS allows you to upload a variety of files, including facility maintenance contracts. By doing this, you can keep all your contracts in the place where you manage your maintenance tasks. This means you'll have all your maintenance-related information in one spot, which will improve overall organization and reduce your staff's frustration with locating the right contract when needed. So remember, managing facility maintenance contracts doesn't have to be a headache. With the right tools and strategies, you can streamline the process and keep your maintenance tasks running smoothly. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed the importance of facility maintenance contracts and how a CMMS can simplify their management. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about our solutions, visit upkeep.com. Your time is valuable, and we're here to help you make the most of it.